Hi there, we have a short science lesson today as we're almost done with our chapter on cnidarians, and we are on page 198, so you can open your notes and take notes with me as we finish. Yesterday we learned about hard coral, and we learned about how they build on top of each other, the dead ones being underneath and their skeleton remains, and they build up to form a coral reef. And they have beautiful colors. And so we're going to continue on talking about reefs at risk, and then we'll move on to our soft corals. Because corals depend on what kind of water? Hot or cold? I hope you said hot. They need warm water, not necessarily hot water, but they need warm water. What else do they need? Do you remember from our lesson yesterday? They need sunlight, right? To survive. Coral reefs are often found in shallow waters that are close to the beach. Unfortunately, being so close to land makes them vulnerable to poisons and sediment that come from boats and land nearby. Sediment makes the water more cloudy, which reduces the sunlight that the zooxanthellae can use. Poison, of course, kills the corals, and they can also bleach the corals. In addition, ships run into the coral, damaging the coral and the boats. All of these dangers must be limited if reefs are to survive. As a result, many countries are trying to limit the kinds of construction that can occur near beaches that have nearby coral reefs, which will reduce the sediments and poisons that the reefs are exposed to, as well as the kinds of boat traffic that can occur around reefs. God gave us such a beautiful world to take care of, and so we want to do the things that we can to take care of His creation. Okay, now let's move on to soft corals. Soft corals get their name from the fact that they don't form that hard skeleton around themselves. So yesterday our hard corals formed that hard skeleton, but today we're going to talk about the ones that don't do that, and they are called soft corals. Most do have tiny limestone spines embedded in their skin. This helps support the animal as it grows and provides some protection against predators. Because they do not have to build hard homes around themselves, soft corals can grow faster than stony corals. However, because they don't have those hard homes for protection, they are more likely to be eaten by predators or damaged by the motion of the sea. If you look on page 198, there's a great picture of a soft coral. You'll see the little flecks in the white are the limestone spines that are the flower-like structures that are polyps themselves. Molly, please don't let the dogs outside because someone's here working on our house. Okay? Okay, thanks. Okay.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
The wasp spraying guy's here and he wants to know where to spray.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'll be right there.